Hey, what up guys, how's it going? Just a quick small video. I got my interior all-weather mats for my Tesla Model 3 Pegasus, and yeah, I'll just unbox them really quick and then I'll put them inside my car and you can see what they look like. They are $145. You can get them on tesla.com under Model 3 accessories. Really quick, if you are buying absolutely any Tesla at all, please use my referral code. It's right there on the screen, or it's in the description below, and you could also give the code to your sales advisor if you physically walk in and order a car, or just hit the link and order your car, and it will give you 6 months free unlimited supercharging. That's any Tesla S, X, or any variant of the Model 3. They also have the new mid-range Model 3, which is a little cheaper, and who knows, that might be what some of you need to get into a Model 3. Yeah, so anyways, I'll stop talking, we'll unbox it, and let's check it out. All right, guys. Got it. Ooh, sturdy. They feel heavy. All right, here's your instruction manual and guide in case you don't know how to put these in your car. All right. Okay, it's kind of heavy. All right, I don't know if you need a part number or not, but there that is. I'll put that on the screen for you. Don't worry. Okay, and this looks like you have it right here. Feels good. Thick, I'll tell you that much. And there's a good look. I like how it says Tesla right there, kind of etched in there. All right, and let's look at the back side so you can see. These look pretty good. Okay, let's grab another one. Very nice, thick, heavy material here, and this is a nice, if you don't mind, very sleek looking. Okay. Now the back piece, unlike the Model S, is two separate pieces here. So let's see. Kind of one and then two, so I'm guessing it goes like this and like that, and then comes together in the middle. So there's that. This looks like the rear passenger side. Okay. Here's the rear driver's side. And let me zoom in so you can just see how thick it is. And here is a close-up look of the rear driver's side. I just want you to see how nice and thick these are, and how well made they are. See that there? The reverse side. Here's the front of the rear driver. All right, let's go downstairs and put these inside Pegasus. All right, let's go ahead and pop these in Pegasus and see how it looks. I like the way these look. Sleek, minimalistic. It matches the flow, the interior of the Model 3. I like it a lot. So yeah, let's go ahead and put in the ones in the back seat and see how those look.